Thanks for joining me again. If you want to add these kind of weather feature, which is very helpful, especially in the winters, so in this video, we'll walk through how we can add that thing. So just simple, there is a home screen of your any Samsung or Android. So just press and hold for any blank space. It will give you this option. So simple, just go to the widget. It will give you this option. So scroll down a little bit, all the way down, you'll see this is a weather thing. So in this weather, it will give you the different kind of feature like look at this, the blue 2x2, which is the weather, and these kind of thing you can also see. So let's make it this thing, or you can have this or this, which is very, very convenient. When you just click on it, it will add your home screen, and you'll see this is the temperature. This is my city temperature right now. So I feel like -45. So that's how you can add. If you want to remove that thing, so just press and hold, and then you can just delete from there. So look at this, and it is done. So if you want to add this thing, this is a very easy and simple steps. And if you like that video, share with your friends, thumbs up, and subscribe my channel. See you.